Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about the example. So this is the example we are going to develop in the next 4-part video. In this video, we will see what are all the options that we are going to explore using this masked input sample. So we learned about the basics of masked edit control in the previous video. Now we will learn about the example. Here, if you see, we have two masked edit control. This one is our first masked edit control, and this one is second masked edit control. So here we will use this major control, masked edit control, to learn its behavior. This one we just used it here. Here this won't go much change, but all this stuff we will learn using this first control. Then we have a set of checkboxes. When okay, before that, and if you see, this is the label mask. So here we have some preset masks. There are 5 masks. We will use these masks to explore the behavior of this masked edit control. After that, we have 4 checkboxes, and this one will beep a sound when you type a invalid character. Then hide mask on leave. That means we already saw how this mask will display. It will display with mask prompt as well as literal. All right, that's what we saw. And hide mask on leave means when control is in focus, you will see this mask, and when you leave, you won't see. So that's one stuff we will check. Then in the output, that means when user clicks the show output, it will read the content here, and the content will be displayed in this text box. Then when we are reading the input, we can check include literal and include prompt. So include literal will include this literal character when you place a check mark. Similarly, when you place a check mark here, include prompt, it will display this prompt character also when we read the output from here in this masked edit control. Then here is the button set. You can specify a prompt character here. After that, you can click the set button. So that means the default here is underscore. You can change the prompt character. Say for example, you can place a hash here. Then you can click this set. This way you can change the prompt character. Instead of displaying the underscore, it will display hash once you set it. So that's all here we are going to develop. Now we will go to the Visual Studio and see what are all the controls placed in the form. So here is the form, and if you see, we have a masked edit control, and you can place masked edit control from common controls. So this is the masked edit control. The control name is a masked text box. I have to drag and drop here. Then after placing the masked edit control or masked text box, masked text box control, there are checkboxes, and nothing special with these checkboxes, and I can look at the control names. masked input. That's one control we named. Then here we named it chk hide mask, chk beep err, then chk include literal, chk include prompt. Other stuff you can set whatever you want, and here if you see it's just a normal label, and here we have txt mask prompt character, and this one is again a masked text box control, masked edit control. And here we have a button, and we named it as a btn set, btn output. And this control we just left it as okay, we named it as rad mask 1, rad mask 2, 3 till 5, rad mask 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we set the text as shown here. That's all. So these are all just normal radio buttons, and this is a group box. And here we have a label lbl mask completed, and we set a 4 color, different 4 color. You can set whatever you want, and text we specified it as mask completed, and visible we set it to false by default. So that's all about the form design. Thank you for watching. Bye.